Yo, what up guys? Old School Dan here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create that 35 millimeter film look with your bodybuilding pictures. I've been getting a lot of requests, a lot of comments, a lot of appreciation for the editing that I've been doing on my pictures lately. People want to know how exactly I do it. So I made another tutorial on Lightroom. This one's gonna be all about on your phone. So this is gonna be totally accessible to anybody who downloads the app. So this app is called RNI Films. Um, you get on the App Store. It's free. You don't have to pay for anything like that. Just if you want if you want the other filters in this app, you do have to pay for those. But with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. So the first thing I do is I go into the sharpness. Again, start with the sharpness because the pictures, with the film cameras, they're not 100% sharp like they are today. They didn't have iPhone 11s with this super sharp. What do they have? Does it have like three cameras, something like that? Super sharp image. The image was kind of blurry, so then now we gotta add a little bit of blur. So right now we're adding some blur, and we want to find a place where we feel like that's like a safe amount of blur, not too much. Like that's not bad, I think, but I want it to be a little more obvious, where it's like, okay, I have to zoom in to see a little bit more detail. Like 50 is not that bad. Again, it's gonna be all personal preference. You can play around with it however you want to do so. Then after that, I go into the grain. I go into the grain, add some grain, about maybe like 50. That's a lot of grain, but I think that'll do just fine. So after we do that, now we can get out those settings, go back to the filters. Now we have a list of different filters we can choose from. Now again, this is going to be all personal preference of what you think probably looks better for your photos, but let's go through them. So we got this one, that one, nope, nope, not what I'm going for, kind of, not really, not there yet, nope, too much. This isn't that bad. You could go with that one. This looks like it was like almost a recolorized picture. Um, but the picture I use, it looks a little funny because it's the actual raw file, which is, oh, this one's not that bad. See, this is the one I actually kind of like, and you can't really edit the strength of that filter, but this isn't that bad. I could go with that one. Kodachrome 50s, you can go with that one too. That one's not that bad. You have the negatives, it's not that bad. It's all right. And you have the, it's not that bad either. Yeah, this is not that bad because this actually looks like the Lightroom one because on those film cameras sometimes they come out kind of green, like the shadows are green. So this is a really good one. The Agfa Optima 200 warm. It's not that bad. Nah, that's a little too much. Nope, 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 nope. Too much. Again, the picture looks a little funny because I think it's just a raw file, but these aren't that bad. These filters aren't that bad. You can go with some of those. It's gonna be all your personal preference on how you want to do it. Just don't go into the other ones because these you have to pay for, like the Fuji Pro 160 NS. Um, I think I've already been through these pictures. No, I actually haven't. Let me show you these. Yeah, man, it's not that bad. It's all right. All right. Okay, it's not bad. Yeah, like they have a lot of good filters. I think you could choose pretty much anyone you want, and they create that good film effect because you just gotta add. See how it looks? I think it looks a little weird because the grain. Maybe I just added too much grain. Maybe I lost some data in the picture. That's why it's coming out kind of weird. But yeah, pretty much this app is great for any type of film effect you're trying to create with your phone. So if you don't have Adobe Lightroom, you can download this app. It's great. Create that own film effect with your pictures so you can look even more old school. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys got any questions, leave them in the comment section below. With that being said, subscribe for more videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'm Old School Dan. I'm gone. Peace.